How to recover a disabled Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device over here. As you launch the Chrome browser, all you need to do is tap on the search bar and search for Instagram support. As you tap on that, you can see the option of Instagram Help Center. So just tap on the option of disabled Instagram account over here. So just tap on that easy access. Here it will take you directly to disabled Instagram account category and you can see there are different ways. So you can just tap on visit this page option over here, and as you tap on it, it will land you to a new page. So just make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, all you have to do is tap on my account was disabled option and then tap on next, and here you just have to enter either your username, phone number or email just to identify your account. So as it mention it, just tap on next, and as you tap on next, it will start giving these instructions. So you just have to follow to confirm your account, and after that what you can simply do is just scroll down and tap on the option of was this helpful option. So tap on no, and then tap on the solution does not work, and then here on the message box just tap on it and mention that your account has been disabled and you would want to recover it. So how can you do that? And then mention your email ID as well that you have associated with Instagram account, and then the team of Instagram will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.